The much-anticipated iPhone 15 series is set to be unveiled in the coming months. Ahead of that, the leaked front glass panel and screen protectors of the upcoming iPhones have emerged online, which indicates the design change of the upcoming iPhones from previous generation models. iPhone 15 series expected design. Recent leaks and rumors indicated the upcoming iPhone 15 series models would feature a notchless display. And now, tipster Ice Universe has come up with some leaked front glass panels and screen protectors, corroborating the earlier leaks. The above images show the expected glass panel for the iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Plus, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Meanwhile, the bottom image indicates the screen protectors of the mentioned phones. In addition to confirming that all the models in the iPhone 15 series might ditch the notch, the leaked information also suggests that the Pro models will have thinner bezels. Looking at those images, it can be said that the iPhone 15 Pro Max would feature slimmest bezels this year compared to the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Also, the iPhone 15 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro Max might come with a slightly curved display. However, the actual design of these iPhones is yet to be unveiled by Apple. What to expect from the iPhone 15 Pro Max? Recently, a leak revealed that the iPhone 15 Pro Max will have a noticeable design change, specifically in the placement of the traditional mute switch. The case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max that was leaked reveals a button that is wider and has a more rounded shape. Also, there are widespread rumors suggesting that this opening might include a new feature called the custom button. The button will likely allow users to perform various actions.